This video tutorial explains the peaking function of the Movnorm series monitors. To enable peaking, tap the screen to bring up the menu. Select Functions, then choose Peaking to turn on the peaking function. In the Peaking tab, there are settings for assist type, sensitivity, color, frame, and marking. Tap Assist Type to choose from 6 options: Original, Black and White, Grayscale Low, Grayscale Middle, Grayscale High, and Black. Tap Sensitivity to adjust the level. The higher the sensitivity, the clearer the focus areas on the screen, and the broader the peaking distribution. Tap Color to change the peaking mark color. Tap the peaking frame to adjust the distribution area of the peaking. You can modify parameters such as horizontal start, vertical start, width, and height to control the peaking's layout. Tap Reset to restore the original values. Tap Mark to cover the image outside the peaking frame. That's the full introduction to the peaking function on Movnorm series monitors.